Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a well-equipped 2014 Hyundai Tucson Limited all-wheel drive, stock number Z7929B. 51,000 miles on this Tucson, comes to us with a clean auto check history report, graphite gray in color. Seats 5, leather interior, lots of legroom for the rear passengers. Split seat back folds down to accommodate longer cargo items. Backup camera for additional safety. Lots of cargo space in the rear with removable privacy cover. And very clean, no dents or dings in the body. This Limited has keyless entry, power windows, locks, mirrors, power driver's seat, lower the tilt and telescopic steering wheel to put you in that perfect driving position, panoramic moonroof, large, easy to read gauges, steering wheel mounted audio controls, cruise control, large touchscreen infotainment system for radio. It's also satellite radio capable, navigation, Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use or to connect other Bluetooth-enabled devices, great for wireless music streaming. And there's of course where the backup camera display is. Dual zone automatic temperature control to make sure everyone's comfortable, with heated front seats. USB and auxiliary input allows you to connect those mobile media devices. Automatic transmission with manual shift capability. Lots of storage space in the armrest. And a spacious glove box with all the owners. Overhead auto dimming mirror with home link transmitter for garage door opener and moonroof control. Under the hood, this Tucson has a 2.4 liter 4-cylinder, 180 horsepower. And just as clean under the hood as the rest of the vehicle. EPA fuel economy estimates, an average of 20 miles to the gallon in the city, average of 25 on the highway, and ready to go with new brakes and new tires. For more information on this Tucson, please go to SheboyganAuto.com.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.